Did you know you can create personalized Valentine stickers for free with Cricut Design Space? Let me show you how. Today I'm going to show you how to make some of these adorable Valentine cat stickers that you can customize for your loved ones using a Cricut Design Space. I'll walk you through the process. First, by providing you with a free high-quality sticker design. Then I'll have you open up your Cricut Design Space, upload the free stickers into Design Space, we'll adjust the size, add a few edits, and stick around for the bonus features and personalization. Now hit that subscribe button for me. This helps promote my channel. Also, leave me a comment below. Tell me what part of the world you're watching this from. And also tell me if you like these sticker designs. I made these in Midjourney AI and further enhanced them in Canva. They're yours free to upload. Let's go over to Cricut Design Space now. We're going to start by changing our background on our canvas so it's easier to see these sticker outlines. Go to the bottom right corner where it says Blank Canvas. Click on that button there. This will give you control of what color you're going to make your canvas background. At the top in the middle, it will say Color. Pick the color that is soothing for your eyes. I decided to go with a mid-color gray for less eye strain today, but I usually do green, so pick your favorite color and let's go ahead and use that. Now you want to get that free sticker download I have for you. It's located on my website, judyscraftstudio.com. Once you get over there, just go over and hit Library, and you'll see it kind of right there underneath the title name. Click that button, and this will take you to the library. And right now, as of this day, the sticker is located near the top where it says Sticker Crafts. And you'll want to choose the one that says Valentine cat stickers with backgrounds. Click Download. Now this doesn't download directly into your download folder. What you'll want to do is click on the image that it pops up in your browser. And when you right click it, it'll have Image Save As. Go ahead and click that and save it where you can find it later to download in your Cricut Design Space. I have also made you another video for the stickers mentioned right above these, Valentine cat stickers. After this one, go ahead and watch that video and make these. This is without the personalization or the backgrounds. They turned out really cute. All right, let's continue on uploading this into Cricut Design Space. And we'll go over here to the upload button over here on the far left. And we're going to upload our images that we just downloaded from my website. And go ahead and bring in your folder. Now click this Upload Image button. And we will drop our folder right into the center here, or we can click that Browse button and bring the folder in. And we want to put our images in here. So I'm just going to grab this and go ahead and drop it right on in. All right, don't forget to stick around. That first bonus feature coming up, how to personalize, we'll show in just a moment. All right, here we are uploading our images. The background is already transparent from first glance here, and it is a PNG, so it's one of the recommended type of uploads. Hit that Continue button. Now, if you need to erase anything, go ahead and do it here, but the background's already transparent. And we'll go ahead and hit the Continue button. And on this one here, we're doing flat graphic. It's going to be a print then cut image, and so we don't need these other two at all. So go ahead and click flat graphic and hit Continue. On this next page, we'll go ahead and preview, see if there's anything we want to change or go back to, and name this project. Then everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Upload button. Now our image may come in very large. If this happens, we'll resize it. We can either resize it manually up above, or we can do it the quick and easy way by over to the right side where it's marked in green. There's this little red exclamation mark. Go ahead and click on that and hit Auto Reduce Size. And this will make it the perfect size to fit in our print and cut paper sheet of 8.5 by 11. So personalized tip number one, let's make it simple. What we're going to do is go over here and use Cricut's own images and personalize our little cats here. So since it's close to Valentine's Day, I just type in Valentine, and I'm going to just kind of randomly pick through some images that I kind of like. And I'm just going to put them over here over on the side, kind of reduce them and put them over on the side and line them up, not place them on the images yet. So I'm just going to gather them up. Give me a moment or two. I'll fast forward this a little bit while I gather some up, and then we'll continue on. Now after we get all the images we think we want to use, we don't have to use all of these, but we will prepare them just in case. We're going to select all these images by dragging a box around them. And we're going to change these to print and cut images because most of these are currently cut files. And just go ahead and change the operation to print and cut. And you can notice that some of the outlines change. That's just the cutting around them. And I'm just going to randomly kind of place these around these images, these cat images in different places, change the colors, put boxes around them, kind of personalize everything and make it my own. Coming up soon is personalization tip number 2. Stick around. You can do many things with Cricut images. Many of them you can change the shape, size, color, even layer them on top of each other. Play around and have some fun. Now when you're about done, inspect everything. Make sure you like the placement of things, the colors, how everything is laid out. And when everything looks good and up to your satisfaction, go ahead. We're ready to hit that make button and make these stickers. And this will open up our mat page. So we prepare our mats how we want it in case we want to change any last minute things. So I'm just going to move these up on the sticker paper so I'll have a little leftover. Then go ahead and click your Cricut machine and send to printer. This little pop-up is, will show you which way your arrow is going to go. So remember which way to put that in first in your Cricut machine. Select your printer. I like to turn bleed off since my border is white. It's not going to matter too much. And then I always pick my dialog box for my printer because I clicked what kind of paper I use. I currently use a high quality vinyl glossy sticker paper. I'll leave you a description below. But on the preference here, I pick a glossy photo paper, and that turns out perfect every single time. So once you do that, go ahead and get it printed. Go over here to your machine settings, hit more, at least for my machine, to kind of do some tests on yours. And when you're ready, hit that press load button, and you're ready to go and cut out your stickers. To Cricut Design Space once more, and let's go over that personalization tip number 2. This is the most fun one because we're going to be adding names to this one. And so I went ahead and hit the text button, and I'm just printing a list of all the names I'm going to use for these stickers and getting these kind of ready and doing them kind of all at once to make it quick and easy. So I have a list of different names here. I believe there's 9. And after I get all these, I'm going to go ahead and select them all together, and I'm going to change these from a cut image to a print and cut image. Now I should have added the border around these first, but we'll go ahead and add these in here. But it's so easy to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these all to the color I want. And to add a border on these, it's really easy. Go ahead and select them all again and go over to offset. And I'm just gonna make a tiny, teeny little border on here. And it'll outline these and make these pop. Look at that, isn't that great? Now, next thing we need to do is attach these together. Now, if you attach them all at once, you can't separate these when you move them onto your images. So you got to do them one at a time. And so this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to click one name at a time, and I'm going to click attach, then flatten to its background. And just takes a moment. And just always do this to each one, and they'll stay together. So go through this real quick. All right, here's the fun part. So we're going to move each of these names over to a picture and kind of trial it, see where we want it, and if we want to change anything. Change the size, the shape, or even the way it rotates, and if we curl it or not. So many different things you can do with this. Now I'm going to keep the same font on all of these, and so keep it nice and easy. And I'm just going to move these around to different pictures and play with it. So it'll just take me a moment here to kind of move these around to see how I like it. And we'll go through this real quick and just kind of place these all around. Alright, this sticker I decided to change up a little bit. I copied this name 2 additional times and just kind of circling around the picture here. Adds a nice little touch to it. Another neat little thing is I went ahead and echoed this one. I went ahead and copied it 2 additional times, then made each one just a tiny bit smaller and echoed it down the picture, and gives a nice effect. So play around and have some fun as you're doing your personalization on these. Go ahead and proof everything, make sure everything looks good and that you're good to go. You like the placement of all your names. And once you have everything the way you want it, go ahead and what you want to do is select all of these and attach your names and flatten them to your stickers. Very important to do this. If you don't, the name will cut out in the sticker and not get printed on the sticker, which is what we don't want. When you're ready, hit that make button. This is what you don't want to do. I forgot to attach the text to the stickers, and see how they ended at the bottom right here? Not good. We want these to stay on the stickers. Easy fix. Just hit that cancel button and it'll take you right back to your design space canvas, and we'll go ahead and select all these and attach, then flatten them. All right, these came out perfect this time. The names are where they're supposed to be and be printed right on our image. Click your maker machine, then send it to your printer. Go through the same process. Remove your bleed, pick your dialogue, pick your paper, and ready to print it. Let's get to cutting, and I'll meet you in my craft room. Not gonna believe how cute these printed out. Take a look at these. These turned out so perfect. So this is with the first personalization tip here, by just using Cricut Design Space images and just put them on your stickers and just personalize them to whatever holiday or event or birthday party, anniversary that you're going for. And to remove these after they're done cutting, I usually turn my mat upside down and curl the mat off, not the paper. That way your paper stays nice and flat. And pull these right off. This is called kiss cut. Now you can see a big problem here. You can tell that my Cricut Maker is out of alignment and I need to do a calibration on it real quick and try this one more time. Still cute. This will go in my sticker reuse pile to give as random acts of kindness gifts, but still good, but not exactly what I want. Okay, let's take a look at these. Reprinted, recalibrated, ready to go. Oh, look at these. These are turning out great. Now these are called die cut when it comes right off the paper like that and the backing is still on there. These are perfect cuts that calibrated nicely. All the borders are nice and even. Take a look at these. These are so cute. Can't wait for you to make these and tell me what you think. I think these images are adorable. Love that sticker on a sticker there. Perfect for Valentine's and for those kids or those people that love cats in your life. I just love these. Oh, I love that black kitty. Oh, this one too. He looks like my Turbo cat. My Turbo's 12 years old now, and that's exactly what he looks like. All right, let's go ahead and do the other ones. This is the ones personalized with the names. And let's put that on the mat, get them cut real quick, and see how these turned out. Oh, they're so cute. I use a brayer there to push it down and get rid of any air bubbles. Oh, they turn out great. Now, bending the mat and not the stickers. So these come out nice and flat. Wow, they are gorgeous. Look how nice and crisp these images are. These printed out nice, crisp, so fun. Now, since these are on waterproof vinyl, these can go on your water bottles. I don't recommend putting it into the dishwasher, but you can wash these and they will last quite a long time. Take a look at those. These are great. Now, if you like these kind of projects, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you want more of these free downloads, just let me know and I will get some ready for you. Take a look at all these stickers. I just have a boatload to give out this year and I'm going to have so much fun doing this. And I love how they are personalized in different ways. Tell me what you think. This is great. All right, I'll catch you on that next crafty adventure.